Hello, beautiful people. It's good to have you here once again. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for the support so far. I really appreciate. I see all the support and I really appreciate. So just right before we get into making it, please, you know what to do already. Just click that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and drop your comments right in the comment section. All right. Today we are making a robe, so let's get into making it. So here's my basic fabric. I have it on fold to start with, and then the measurement I'm taking is from here down right here. You can see 35 inches. For the width, it's a person of average size, so you really don't need any of that. I have just 11.5. I'll be having ½ inch for the sewing allowance. Then for the width of the neckline, you can see I have 8 inches, and then this is basic 8 inches as well. You can see 8 inches for the armhole. I mean sorry, making a mistake. For the armhole, 8 inches, and so the curve was drawn. That's basically it. Then I came down here. I have my this here. Yeah, I do have it. So the basic measurement is this 35. It's going to be 35. Then this 11.5, and then just the armhole and the shoulder slant. That's about that. So you can see this. This is the second piece. It's on the same line, and you can see this. This is 1 inch apart. You can see 1 inch apart. I placed it on it. It's 1 inch apart, and it's the same length. It's the same length. So this is the back of it. For this, which is the back, we're going to be measuring 1 inch. 1 inch. And here is a quick reminder to please share this video, like my video, drop your comments if you have any questions or whatever it is. Just drop a comment. Just right go ahead below. And give it a freehand stitch, something like this. And the next thing I'll do is just to go ahead and cut it. So that is gone. Then for the front part, just be taking away the back and leave the front. So I'll be going by the same. I'll be going by the same 1 inch. No, going by the same 3 inches here. I'm sure you can see it. It's 3 inches. Then for the dip, I can just make it for the dip. It really doesn't have to be anything as such. So I'll just mark out 5 inch here and 10 inch here, which is almost my bust length. Then at 5, since this is 3 inches at here, I will just make it 2 inches. So I'll draw a straight line. Then at here, I'll just take 1 inches. You can see 1 inches. So I'll drop it here so you can see it's having a slanting line. So the slanting line, I'll just take it right down here till it gets to this place and there is nothing more of it. So I'm just doing a freehand sketch. So here's what I have right now. From here 3 inches down to here 2 inches, and to here 1 inch. Then the line just goes till it blends with this part. And what we'll do next is to cut it off. So we're cutting it like so. So just go ahead and cut it. So here's what we're doing. Going ahead to cut it. Going ahead to cut it. Okay. I'll be coming over here to sieve it. So I'm sieving it. As you can see, this is what I'm doing. Sieving it. So as I'm sieving, I will just go ahead and blend the cotton into here. Just like so. So from here, right here, so you can see this is now a 2-piece. This is a 2-piece, and this is a 1-piece, just like so. We're back here. This is like the second day. I got really tired as I yesterday, so I had to leave it. So after cutting the front piece, the back piece, the front piece is in 2 pieces, yes, and the back is in 1. So the next thing is the sleeve. So I already cut out my sleeve, as you can see. So here is my sleeve. So it's nothing much, it's just a free sleeve. There is no extra measurement or exact measurement on it because the sleeve is going to be free. So the basic thing I just did was to do a 10.5 for the sleeve. So there will be 1/2 inch here for the sewing allowance and another 1/2 inch here. Then for the width, I have 8 inches, as you can see, 8 inches and 10.5. So depending on the person's arm, if the person is a taller person, maybe you can go with 12 inches or thereabouts, but this is what I have. So I have 10.5, I have 8 inches here. Then at the hip dip, I mean the length of the hip dip is 5 inches, and I just made a freehand sketching. And so I'll just go over and cut the second piece, you know, place this on it, place this over it, and just cut out the same thing. So here we go. Okay. So I have here. Okay. So I have another sleeve here. As you can see, this is another sleeve. So I have 2 sleeves here, 1 and 2. That's that about that. So for the joining, I'll just go ahead and start that. So I have the back piece, the front the front side of the back piece. This is it. So I'll be placing the front piece right on it by the shoulder, so like so. And where's my second piece of the front? So this is it as well. I have it. So I'll hold it down with a pin and go straight to my machine and sew it by half an inch on both sides of it. So I'll sew it by half an inch. Then after doing that, I'll just go straight to my sleeve. As you can see, this is the sleeve. After sewing this by half an inch or the shoulder, I'll attach the sleeve to it on both sides. Attach the sleeve to it on both sides, and I'll get right back to show you the results. So the last piece I'll be needing is something like this, 5 inches. I just measure 5 inches as the width, and then you can make it, as you can see, this 5 inches, you can make it as long as 60 inches, as long as possible, because we'll be needing a whole lot of this last piece. So this is what we'll be using as a rope to tie on the waist, which will make the robe fitted. And as well, this is the same piece or measurement we'll be using to finish up the front part of the robe. So it will run from the neckline down to the two center front of the robe. So we'll use this, sew it by half an inch like so as a rope for the waist, and at the same time, don't forget to like this video, click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you. You need to cut this as much as possible as well. So this is what I have here. I think I've gone a little bit beyond what I said I would do. So as you can see, this is it inside out. Okay, so here is my neckline. I held it down and I joined the sleeves to it. As you can see, after joining both sleeves, I sewed it by, okay, I think about an inch from the sleeves right down to the end of my robe. I did the same for this other side, from the sleeves right down to the end of my robe. So basically the robe is even good to, is okay to wear right now, but that's not the finished work, really. Not going to finish the work. So this is the front piece, as you can see. So this is the front piece. Okay, and then you remember this I cut out. Hope we do. So I would just fold this into two like so. I have my pin here, so I'll fold it into two. The outside will be showing, and just like so, I'll start from one end of the robe. You can start from either end, but I'll start from here, one end of the robe. Okay, let me start from here. So I'll just fold it together like this, and I'll place it at the edge. I'll place it at the edge of my robe. So I'll hold it out with a pin, as you can see. So that's basically what I would do for the entire front piece of the robe. Hold it down with so I have 3 pieces together, as you can see. So that's basically what I'll do. It's run from the end of the robe right through the neck of the robe and right down to the other end of the robe. So that's basically what I would do. I would keep joining and joining and joining till I get to the end of the robe. So I'll go back to my machine, work on that, and come and show you the finished piece. Yes, so here is basically what I have. As you can see, it's in, out, in and out. So this looks a little bit short, but it's the length I want, so you can do yours to whatever length you want. This is the exact length for me. Yes, that's what I'm working with. And you can make it a little bit exposing. You can make it decent depending on how you want. It's just in the folding or in the layering, I mean. So here is what I have. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for watching this my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like my page, like the video, share this video as much as possible, and please keep sharing and sharing and sharing and sharing. I have some other exciting, really interesting videos up on my channel. Please check them out, and I bet you'd enjoy them. So thank you all, guys. Thank you. Bye.